Alright. And we are live here at Barangay Mapawa, Maragusan, Davao de Oro for the 53rd araw ng Mapawa Open Commercial Basketball Tournament. And this ball game is the 17 under championship game while waiting sa ito ang main event, the Open Commercial live sa taning 17 under. And Nabunturan takes the lead by 1. And some of the players dito sa Nabunturan ay dula ni sa Court Vision D-League. We have Hontilla, Arapua, and Untalan is fouled from Asuncion, Davao del Norte. And he was scouted. No, nanan sa karonderia sa Nabunturan, Davao de Oro. Yes. 2 free throw. 3 minutes and 28 in the fourth quarter. Pasok. This live stream is powered by Court Vision and CV Production, sponsored by the CM Farm. Owned and managed by Boss Mario Batilan and Ma'am Virgie Aliones. Daghang salamat, Boss and Madam. And big shout out also to Homemade Customized Furniture Tagum, to Big's Printing Shop, and to our internet provider, the Good Game Networks, for reliable internet connection para sa itong live stream para sa 53rd araw ng Mapawa Maragusan Open Commercial Basketball Tournament. And daghang salamat po kang Cap Sky Abad for inviting us here. Daghang salamat, Cap. And both teams penalty. 2 free throw for Mati. Shout out Brichel Jade Quisada. Three minutes and 26. Shout out sa mga nagtanaw karon diri Aray. Oh, shout out sa inyo, Smile. Ayan. Yeah. Okay ra mo ana kaon niya. Yeah, kay mawala ang focus. Okay. Thank you. Ayan, shout out sa tanan. Maulan nga bugnaw nga hapon. Diri sa Barangay Mapawa, Maragusan. Unsa to?
Karlangon. Shout out sa mga Karlangon.
Shout out daw sa mga
Karlangon.
Karlangon. Okay, shout out daw sa mga Karlangon. No foul, no goal. 3-point miss. Ito na yung Mati. Attacking. Rebound. And there's a foul. Penalty situation. Shout out to 751 live viewers, guys. Ano yung mga bata, mga 2 years, 3 years, makita na po natin sa Open Commercial Basketball. And hopefully, makaland sila og nindot na school, collegiate school, o makadula sila mahimong varsity. Shout out to Coach Jo Marie Gamiao, the assistant coach na dire sa Nabunturan. And Coach Palermo sa baba. Second row. Shout out Bongbong Habagat from Jopre of Linaria. Pasok. Oh, good. Oh, nice pass. Oh, sayang. Easy to na sana yun. Almost a turnover. Buti na recover. Good defense by Flores. Deflecting the ball. Pero out of bounds. Ball stays sa Nabunturan. Shout out Jason Sandile from Minihor, Quezon, Bukidnon. Montilla. There go defense. Steal. Ito na yung Mati. Jersey number 2. Unselfish play! Pero hindi nakuha yung pasa. Steal by jersey number 15. Jersey number 2. Cassie. Nakahanap sa ilalim. Jersey number 69. 2 points. Michael Arias. Shout out Kyung Arias. Flores. Slicing the defense. 2 points for Mati. Montilla. Jersey number 11. 3-pointer. Defensive rebound. Jersey number 2. And the reverse is good. Nabuturan. Up by 4 and bagsak si Flores. Resulting to turnover. Antonio lost the ball. And a counter steal by jersey number 11. Jersey number 11. Ayun. Sa gitna. Para sa big man. Di pumasok. Ito na. Jersey number 2. Easy lay. Shout out to Baliwan from Justin James Sulitania. Shout out from Salay Misor. What a run for Nabunturan. 36-42, 1 minute and 31. 42, 36-42. And shout out sa mga nagtanaw live action diriya sa Barangay Mapawa, Maragusan. Ayan. Shout out Jay Dunyo. Shout out to 1,000 live viewers. Shout out 27 Hontilla from Daisuki, Araki. And our main event in this afternoon, the CM Farm versus the Seafood Paradise para sa championship game for the 53rd araw ng Barangay Mapawa Maragusan Open Commercial Basketball Tournament 2025. Shout out Coach Gao, Reserex Donairi Balili. Hinay-hinay lang players kay medyo basa ato ang floor. Tungod kay na mga tulo. Ulan po kayo ron. 1 minute and 30. Bagay. Jersey number 11. Jersey number 2. Flores. Tinapon yung bola. And an out of bounds. Stepping on the line by jersey number 5.
Last one, remaining 23 seconds.
1 minute and 23.
And here we go.
Makakahabol ba ang Mati City with 1 minute and 15 remaining? Hontilla asking for a screen. Drive. Almost a steal. And a turnover. And the bench of Mati City contested the call. Ayun. Tinawagan ng technical. Shoutout mo, gwapo dyan tanaw ng CM Farm sila. From Jason Sandile. 30 Alvarez, shoutout. One minute and 8. Pa-shoutout daw sa legend coach ng City High Patriots, Ma'am Birang Maog Postrero. Shoutout daw Ma'am Birang. Shoutout idol solid subscriber from Caragan, Andap, Davao de Oro. Salamat idol. Bonnie Idlay. Shoutout to Ann Huber, Makaso, and Kenneth Gani. Shoutout bro. Tulo?
Payong.
Nada.
Nine second shot. 9 second shot.
Okay, 9 to shoot. Shout out Jenmar Braga is watching right now. Ilya received the ball
Warning Gusana
to
Sublime.
Estrera. Attacking, lost the ball in a steal. Flores. Wala pa nakababa. Ito. Flores. 4-3. Miss. Rebound. Ito na, nabunturan. Hontilia.
Susunod tayo.
Labas muna.
45 seconds.
45 seconds. Shout out B-Boy Vlog. And another block.
And Gabriela. Seconds of high.
32 seconds. Bagay. Flores. Wala pa rin.
And here we go. 20 seconds.
20 seconds. Hontilia.
Another shot clock.
Antonio.
10.
And a steal. 7 seconds. 6. Flores. Wala pa rin. And pasok. And congratulations to Nabunturan for winning the ball game. Championship game, Nabunturan versus Mati. Yeah, from Malita, Davao Occidental, Justin James, Solitania, Carlo Caloy, Nisnisan, shoutout daw from Abu Dhabi, Mar Pangampawan, shoutout from Surigao, and Car Morse Murada, pa shoutout daw watching from Prosperidad. Shoutout to 1,200 live viewers. Next game, abang-abang, CM Farm versus Seafood Paradise para sa championship game. Dito lang po sa Barangay Mapawa, Maragusan, Davao de Oro for their 53rd araw ng Barangay Mapawa, Maragusan para sa Open Commercial Basketball Tournament. Shout out at congratulations Nabunturan. Shout out sa coaching staff o sa mga players. No? Familiar faces sila Hontilia and Untalan played sa to ang Court Vision D-League Season 1, Season 2, and Season 3. And karon makita na nato basin asa na scout na. Shout out Jovan Bral Tumali. Idol, shout out Dol Soriel. Shout out Lodi from Tago City, Warley, Rivas, Daguok. Shout out Bayas o Primo. Shout out Dol, EJ Guzon, and Mike. Shout out. Okay.
Next game, the CM Farm versus the Cebu Paradise. Next game, warm up.
And this ball game is brought to us by the 53rd araw ng Barangay Mapawa, Maragusan, Davao de Oro Open Commercial Basketball Tournament 2025. And this live stream is powered by Court Vision and CV Production, sponsored by the CM Farm Basketball, owned and managed by Boss Mario Bantilan and Ma'am Virgil Leones. Daghang salamat Boss and Madam. And big shout out also to Homemade Customized Furniture, to Big's Printing Services, and to our internet provider sponsored by The Good Game Networks. Daghang kayong salamat sa reliable and fast internet connection para sa toong live stream. And daghang salamat po Cap Sky Abad for inviting us here at Barangay Mapawa, Maragusan. And that's it for 17 under champion. Congratulations to Nabunturan. Stay tuned. Championship game, Open Commercial Basketball Tournament 2025. CM Farm versus Seafood Paradise.